The number one low-cost marketing strategy every small business should use. This overlooked strategy gets real clients fast. Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. Does marketing feel overwhelming? Let's simplify it. Most small businesses and sales professionals overlook following up with their biggest asset, their sphere of influence. That's the audience who already knows, likes, and trusts you. If you're not regularly communicating remarkable offers using permission-based follow-up, you're leaving money on the table. We coach business owners to use a permission-based follow-up strategy that begins with one powerful but underused tool, the monthly newsletter. This isn't about spamming inboxes. It's about starting conversations, building trust, and offering value. When done right, your monthly newsletter becomes the foundation of a marketing system that's affordable, effective, and sustainable, and yes, is part of getting clients. Here's the simple process. Step 1. Create a new monthly newsletter that delivers real value. Step 2. Every day, invite the people you talk to join your email list. And Step 3. Don't get stuck where most people do. If you don't have a growing list of people who've said yes to hearing from you, it's time to change that. Start building your list, one meaningful connection at a time. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. If your business isn't using permission-based follow-up, then the truth is you probably don't have consistent follow-up at all, and that means missed clients and lost revenue. Is now the right time to fix that gap? Start nurturing your audience, even if the results aren't instant. That's where long-term growth and profitability begin. And here's the key: consistent weekly offers. Without them, your marketing and follow-up efforts fall flat. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what works consistently. Working with a tight marketing budget? Let us show you how permission-based follow-up strategies not only pay for themselves, but actually generate real return on investment. Start with our 10 to 30-day free trial and see results before spending a dime. No upfront payment. No credit card required. Cancel anytime. This gives us time to set up your system, guide you with coaching, and help you start generating leads, all risk-free. And if it's not the right fit, no pressure, no hard feelings. At the very least, we've made a new friend. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client-getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.